Algorand cost certainly equivalent to $0.1141 a coin. The present range, 10 cents 11 cents. The earlier day close, 11 cents. The change was plus 0.0021, plus 1.87%. Backwards rate, USD to ALGO. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.15. Greatest cost 15 cents. Most certainly least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 12 cents incredibly. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 9 cents. Change for June 40.0%. ALGO to USD expectations for July 2023. Before all else cost at $0.09. Greatest cost 9 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for July 11.1%, or so they thought. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at $0.08 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 8 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for August 12.5%. ALGO to USD expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents. Most certainly least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for September 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 6 cents. Fundamentally least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for October 0.0%, as opposed to mainstream thinking. ALGO to USD expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 6 cents. Least cost 6 cents. The kind of normal for the month 6 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for November 0.0% in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.06, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Greatest cost 7 cents. Least cost 6 cents. The in every way that really matters. Normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for December 16.7%. ALGO to USD expectations for January 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking. At the outset cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents. By and large least cost 6 cents in an unpretentious manner. The normal for the month 7 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for January 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Before all else cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 6 cents. Least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents, or so they thought. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for February 16.7%. ALGO to USD expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $0.05, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 5 cents. Least cost 5 cents, or so they thought. The fundamentally normal for the month 5 cents, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for spring 0.0% in a truly significant manner. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024 amazingly. Before all else cost at $0.05. Most extreme cost 6 cents. Lovely least cost 5 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 6 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for April 20th.0% incredibly. ALGO to USD expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 6 cents. Least cost 5 cents. The really normal for the month 6 cents amazingly. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for May 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. Or so they essentially thought. Before all else cost at $0.05 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost 5 cents. Least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for June 0.0%, or so they thought. ALGO to USD expectations for July 2025. In the first place cost at $0.03. Greatest cost 3 cents. Really least cost 3 cents. The really normal for the month 3 cents in a significant manner. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for July 0.0%. USD to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 8.7642 Algorands per $1. Today, S reach 8.7032 minus 9.1408. The past day, S nearby 8.9286. Change for now 0.1644, 1.84%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 US dollars to ALGO expectations for June 2023. To start with, cost at 6.667 Algorand, greatest cost 12.500, least 6.667. The normal for the month 9.236. The USD to ALGO figure toward the month's end 11.111. Change for June 66.7%. Dollar to Algorand figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 11.111 Algorands. Most extreme cost 14.286, least 11.111. The normal for the month 12.252, which explicitly is very huge. The USD to ALGO figure toward the month's end 12.500, change for July 12.5%. USD to ALGO expectations for August 2023, or so they thought. First and foremost, cost at 12.500 Algorands in a significant manner. Greatest cost 14.286, essentially least 12.500. The really normal for the month 13.393. The USD to ALGO gauge toward the month's end 14.286, change for August 14.3% incredibly. Dollar to Algorand gauge for September 2023, or so they thought. First and foremost, cost at 14.286 Algorand. Greatest cost 16.667, least 14.286. The normal for the month 15.477, which is genuinely critical. The USD to ALGO gauge toward the month's end 16.667, change for September 16.7%, or so they thought. USD to ALGO expectations for October 2023, or so they thought. At the outset, cost at 16.667 Algorand. Most extreme cost 16.667, least 16.667. The normal for the month 16.667, or so they thought. The USD to ALGO figure toward the month's end 16.667, change for October 0.0%. Dollar to Algorand figure for November 2023. Before all else, cost at 16.667 Algorands amazingly. Most extreme cost 16.667, least 16.667. The normal for the month 16.667. The USD to ALGO gauge toward the month's end 16.667, change for November 0.0% in an unpretentious way. USD to ALGO expectations for December 2023, initially cost at 16.667 Algorands, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 16.667. All things considered, least 14.286. The normal for the month 15.477. The USD to